Okay, so here we are for the admin login to BMFCal. So notice the address there is the usual, calendar.brooklynmusicfactory.com, but slash admin underscore login.php.
Uh-huh.
Aha, okay. So now when we click sign in with Google, oh yeah, I should have read, my password is saved. Um, not helpful. Okay, that was connect at brooklynmusicfactory.com is the username when we log
Oh,
in on the admin side.
okay.
And then the password, I'll paste it as like pure logics exclamation point BMF Connect 123.
Pure Logics, exclamation point, BMF Connect 123. Got it.
Totally logical, see? All right. Now, once we're on admin, when we first enter here, we're actually in registration view for students, okay? But we want to switch to schedule a meeting for faculty, okay? So the view itself it doesn't actually look that different until you open this, click on a time slot and open this
Hmm.
pop-up, and then you'll see, oh, I'm selecting teachers. Aha. All right, so you got to make sure that that's the view that you're in. Like if I'm in registration view, and I click at 10 a.m. Now see I'm selecting students,
Okay, I
right?
missed where you
That's the
made it
difference.
registration view.
Oh, those are in the toolbar here.
Oh, I see. Got it.
There's registration. Here's meeting.
Okay.
All right. So we're scheduling a meeting. We'll go to day view of scheduling a meeting. And then, all right. So the date for your advanced band was
17th.
last Thursday, the 17th.
At 11 a.m.
Okay. And generally, I just like, right now, it doesn't matter so much what studio we're in. Right?
Mm-hmm.
So just for my own personal convenience, I
Mm-hmm.
put it in the studio where I'm teaching that day so that it all shows up in my agenda in one view. But
Mm-hmm.
that's a detail. Okay, you said 11 a.m. All right, so you see I go to that
Yeah.
square
Mm-hmm.
and click on that
Okay.
region of the calendar. All right, and then we've got this interface where we can add teachers and select the type. So I like to set all these parameters first and then add my attendees.
Okay.
All right. So, and this is actually brand new information. I've got a new function for us to duplicate these events as opposed to setting a repeat type.
Okay.
So right now, even though this is going to be a repeating meeting for you, we're not
Okay.
going to select a repeat type.
Okay.
No repeats. Okay. And then we're setting you as the leader. This is a key move for you to be able to set attendance from your calendar view on the front end and have access to that. All right. So this means that you'll be able to say who's in. Okay. And then the description here, advanced band department. This is the
Cool.
field that shows up on the payroll report that we were just talking about to say what kind of meeting it was.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
We also need our duration.
Okay.
It's for an hour. Sorry, I didn't really go down those in order there, but
That's okay.
right. So it's let me do it in order. All right, faculty meeting, duration for an hour. Studio, like I said, player's choice. Uh, Start time, obviously. No repeat type, so that means the end date is the same. Season is our current one, of course. So we almost never have any opportunity or reason to change that. Uh, this one is irrelevant to meetings. We're not buying tickets. And then we enter in the description. Now, here, very important. Okay, because this event is in the past, right?
Mm,
We have to click this box to update previous. All right.
got it.
So this is what we find ourselves doing on payroll parties all the time. Like, oh yeah, I forgot to add this thing. Put it into the calendar. Click the box. Then you can click save. But right, we haven't added attendees yet. So how many people are in your meeting?
4.
Okay, so we go 4, and then add teachers. Oops, I double clicked it. Idiot. Um, all right. That's all right. I'll clear those in a second. Okay, so who's in?
Sergio,
Yes.
Greg,
Uh-huh.
Jason,
Yep.
Rick.
Cool. And then even though you're the meeting attend or like leader, you know, you can give yourself attendance too,
Okay.
right? You count. You know, this is especially useful like if I have to, you know, transfer meeting responsibility to somebody else for a day, and then just I keep track of that I wasn't there. Um,
Got it.
so okay, and then say I got some extra ones here. Okay, I just delete those rows like that.
Okay.
You know, or if I needed to add some more teachers, right? I can select up to 12 more and add 12 more
Got it.
rows with that add teacher button. Okay, anyway, so now our attendees are in there, and now we can save. It says meeting added, and it'll save that data, and then there it is.
Oh,
Advanced band department. Yeah, and then you set meeting attendance on that on the front end. Um, so let me see. I won't be able to do yours, you know, without stealing your Google login, so we don't have to do that. So let me just show you what it is on mine for like a different meeting. So I go to calendar view on my front end, and then say I'm going to like one of my department meetings for tomorrow. Is it up there yet? Where'd it go? Bad example. Okay, let me backtrack to a department meeting. For oh, I think I know what the problem is. Hold on. Okay, now it should show up. All right, so I got a faculty meeting tomorrow, and see when I click on the event, then it says mark attendance, and then I can go in here. All right, see who's there, click save, and then send meeting notes after that. That's it.
cool.
Okay.
Awesome. Straightforward.